So
Okay,
we are
sir. Okay.
expecting participants very shortly. Maybe in 5 minutes or so, we'll start the session,
Okay.
ma'am.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Madam Madhavi, can we start the session?
Yes, sir, we can start.
Yes, sir, we can start, sir.
Madam Madhavi, hi Nico, you please check your microphone. So, good afternoon, all participants. We are on day 2, artificial intelligence enabled applications in signal processing and communication. So, Dr. K. Vijayalakshmi ma'am is online, the today's resource person. So, in this regard, I request Neelavati,
Yes, sir.
please introduce the speaker to the audience.
Sure, sir. Myself, I am Neelavati. Now I am going to introduce Dr. K. Vijayalakshmi Madam, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Currently, she is serving in Hindustan Institute of Technology and Sciences, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. She is a motivating and talented professor driven to inspire students to pursue academic and personal excellence. 20 years of experience in teaching and consistently strive to create a challenging and engaging learning environment in which students become lifelong scholars and learners. Exceptional track record of research success with multiple published articles in peer-reviewed journals. Published around 45 research papers in SCI, Scopus, WS journals, book chapters, and conferences. Accomplished researcher in cybersecurity, innovative thinker, and resourceful academic advisor. Member in ICT, FEDA, IET, and CSI. Authorized numerous articles published in Scimago ranked journals, including Soft Computing, Journal of Computing and Information Technology, Journal of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Evolutionary Computations in Engineering Systems, and Knowledge Computing and its Applications, Reviewer of Advances in Science, IGI Global Technology and Engineering Systems Journal. Developed ICT-based teaching materials, organized national conferences and conducted workshops or seminars on ethical hacking and cybersecurity, big data analytics, social networking, and soft skills for teaching and non-teaching staff members. Organized national level symposiums, industrial visits, and internships for students. Research areas of expertise including cybersecurity, computer networking, security, Internet of Things. Around 50 students have undergone international seminars, exchange summer research, and internship programs under her guidance. Thank you, ma'am. And now I'm going to hand over this session to Dr. Vijay Lakshmi, madam. Over to you, madam.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the introduction. Let us start the presentation of today's FDP. So, give me 1 second.
Ma'am, are you sharing screen? Madam, you can share your screen now.
Right? All success user must go.
Madam, share your screen, please.
Yeah, is the screen is visible, sir?
Yeah, it's moving on, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now it is connected, I think. Yeah, can you see the slide now?
Yeah, it's still streaming, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, sir.
Not visible, ma'am.
Now, sir?
Yeah, now it's visible, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Shall we proceed?
Yes, ma'am, you can proceed.
Yeah. The topic of today's is artificial intelligence for metaverse and digital future. So I'm Dr. Vijayalakshmi, Associate Professor in the CSE Department of Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai. Let us see the pictures. So before proceeding, we will see what is artificial intelligence. As we all know, artificial intelligence is nothing but a way of creating some sort of intelligence in the computer in order to think like humans, nothing but incorporating the smartness inside the system. So the AI technology can process large amount of data which a human can't do. So in that way, it is considered to be superior to humans. The goal for AI is to be able to do the things such as your pattern recognition and make decisions and judge like human. So this is an example for
Excuse me,
AI.
ma'am.
The machines today can learn from the experience. Excuse me. So it can learn from the experience adapted, that is from the new input, whatever we give. And it can even perform like human with the task of your artificial intelligence. So example, nowadays we see the chess playing computers and self-driving autonomous cars based on your deep learning and natural language processing. So let us see the use cases of this AI along with our metaverse. So people may think what is metaverse and get confused. Metaverse is a term which is a combination of term given for your AR and VR. That is your augmented reality and virtual reality. So the accuracy in creating the avatars, like whatever be the character, I can create with a 3D scan and 2D image. With the help of that, I can create any avatars, and even I can create my own human race into a digital humans and make them to communicate in the social networks. And it actually removes the language barriers, like in whatever language you make a conversation, it will be immediately converted back to the native language of the particular person who is listening within seconds. And the expansion of VR world, it's nothing but the NVIDIA is doing a lot of exact virtual world scenarios where the gaming is considered to be the major part of NVIDIA, and intuitive interfaces, like it can create human like computers and interfaces, and it can encourage us to go for the next version, that is adaptable version of our metaverse. So our main topic today is going to be the metaverse concept, how the metaverse are handled and how it is used for our communication and signal processing. So the role of our artificial intelligence in metaverse, how it is helping, how it is assisting to go for a well-equipped AI-based devices based on your metaverse concept. So you can understand the layers. The artificial intelligence actually works with the help of your machine learning and deep learning, shortly called as ML and DL. So deep learning goes exactly the pattern recognition, the way the signal comes. Actually, the signals are analog in nature, and how these analog waves are converted back to the digital, and finally how again I am converting back into an analog signal so that I can experience a real life scenario in my artificial intelligence based metaverse features. So the role of AI in metaverse, so it can create whatever be a realistic effect, lighting effects I can create, weather patterns, and of course the language interactions, natural language interactions is very important, like NLP processing. And digital humans can be created with metaverse with the use of our AI technology. The future of AI in metaverse. So as I told before, you can create realistic avatars. It will look more realistic, and you can create digital products, and you can go for services in online itself. So it facilitates your remote working and the collaboration. So it is going to be a new digital world hereafter. So how AI is used in your VR, because our concept is metaverse concept, and how I'm going to implement my AI features in my virtual reality and augmented reality. So how it is working, how tracking.
OBS లో వస్తుందా? ఇప్పుడు వచ్చినాడా? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. మీకే హ్యాపీ, మీకే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ పెరుగుతారు. ఫోటోస్ వస్తుంది, మీ వీడియోస్ చూస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు నేను నిన్న మేడం చేస్తే మీది బయటకు వచ్చేసిందిలే కానీ మీది బయటకు వచ్చేసిందిలే కానీ మీది బయటకు వచ్చేసిందిలే కానీ మీకేమొస్తుందా యూట్యూబ్లో? రికార్డింగ్ పెట్టుకో. మీది బయటకు వచ్చేసిందిలే.